In this video, we are going to demonstrate muting accounts in the Threads app. If you're finding yourself bombarded with notifications from the Threads app, especially from a particular account, and you want some peace without unfollowing that account, muting is your solution. So, let's get started. Begin by launching the Threads app on your device. You'll want to make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your notifications. Scroll through your feed or search for the specific account that's flooding you with notifications. Once you find the account, give it a tap to proceed to its profile. In the top right corner of the account's profile, you'll notice a three-dot icon, also known as an ellipsis. Tap on this icon to open a menu with various options. From the menu, you'll see a list of actions you can take. Among them, you'll find the mute option. Tap on it to initiate the muting process. Congratulations! You've successfully muted the chosen account. This means you'll no longer be bothered by notifications coming from this account. Should you change your mind or want to start receiving notifications from the muted account again, you have the flexibility to unmute it. Simply revisit the account's profile, tap on the three dots icon, and this time select the Unmute option from the menu. Muting accounts provides you with the freedom to control your notifications, keeping disturbances at bay without severing your connection to certain accounts. If you're uncertain about any part of this process, don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.